What if you could buy land in Abuja today and actually see the kind of environment you are buying into before making that decision? Today, I am taking you on a tour to an estate along Airport Road, Abuja, with a golf course, 2 swimming pools, and football pitches already built. This is more than just a land. So, come with me.
We are on our way to Mshel Hutu Exclusive, the first golf resort estate located here in Abuja along Airport Road before Centenary City after NIPCO Filling Station. This estate has FCDA C of O, and I'm taking you through this estate so you can see everything you need to see before you buy into this estate. I am Mira from MiraEmma Properties. Welcome to Mshel Hutu Exclusive. Before we look at the amenities, let me first off show you the environment itself. So this is the environment we are touring, and as you can see, look at what it is. As you can see, this is the approved estate layout showing the different phases and the various plot configurations within this estate. Now here comes our sports arena, and as you can see football pitches. There are actually 2 of them. Then we have the lawn tennis. This is our lawn tennis for those who love to play lawn tennis. And then we have badminton court as well. That's not all. Then this comes our volleyball court, right? So our sports arena is fully equipped. One of the swimming pools in this estate, which is an Olympic size swimming pool. As you can see, this is our clubhouse also in this estate, Mshel Hutu Exclusive. So this is where the communities will always gather and have fun and enjoy themselves. Look out the environment. That's not all. As you can clearly see also, this is artificial lake already completed. And then here comes our water fountain. We have 2. One is at the entrance, and this one is inside the estate itself, also completed. You can clearly see these 2. So these facilities are here to make you live, play and relax in this estate. And this is what I want you to take away from this tour. You can see the environment yourself. You can see what's already here, and you can see the development in this estate. No wonder it's called or is referred to as live, play and relax, right? And if you are considering getting a plot, whether you are here in Nigeria or you are abroad, in Abuja, an estate land, so to say, this is the one you should be coming for right now. Because here we have for those who want to buy and build, and we also have for those who want to buy and hold for as an investment, right? So if you want to buy and build, this is the estate you should be coming for. If you want to buy and hold, this is also the estate you should be coming for. Now let's talk about what's available. First off, this estate is an FCDA approved estate, and price starts from 22,453,200 naira for the lease plot in phase 1. And then in phase 3, the lease plot is selling at 11,689,453 naira, and our plot sizes ranges from 150 square meters down to 1,000 square meters. We equally have payment plan. You do 30% initial deposit, and you can spread your balance across 4 to 18 months depending on the phase you are going for. Whether you are going for phase 1 and phase 2, we have 4 months and 8 months payment plan. But if you are going for a phase 3, we have up to 18 months payment plan.
You've now seen Mshel Hutu Exclusive the way I say it. If you want to secure your land before the next price increase, call or WhatsApp me on the number you see on the screen. And if you are abroad, we can do this exact tour live on a video call. See you on site.